Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm showing you how to duplicate a Discord server. In other words, copy all the stuff from one server and add it to another. Anyways, let's get right into this video. So I already have Discord loaded up right here. This is a test server I made. What you want to do is you want to go to the top left over here, and you want to click server settings. From here, you just want to hit server template. Sorry, voice crack. You want to hit server template, wait for this to load, and then you just want to click copy on the new link. Basically, all the stuff up here will basically show all the stuff it'll copy and will not copy. So like channels and topics, roles and permissions, default server settings, and whatnot. You can just read this on your own or pause it. From here, this is the template title. So when you copy the server, this is what will automatically be named. So I'll just name it TB. And then over here, I'll save the changes, and then a template description. Now, the main thing you want to do is click copy over here. This is the #1 main thing. You don't really need to worry much about this. From here, you want to close this, and you can close Discord, but I'm just going to minimize it because you'll need it later. From here, you'll paste in the link from earlier and enter, and it'll automatically beam up to Discord. From here, you can name all the stuff from like the server name and whatnot. So I'm going to change it to just TB from here, and you can upload a profile picture, but I'm not going to. From here, you just want to hit create, and you've basically just duplicated the Discord server. I think for some reason it doesn't really copy roles, or has some trouble with doing it. Actually, no, it copied all the roles. That's perfect. So yeah, so it's got all the channels and whatnot. However, like I said, it doesn't copy any messages or bots or members. Anyways, that's about it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya.